everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and I'm standing in front of gold medal winner Kelly Norris and team's amazing display here at the Philadelphia Flower Show. It's comprised of all native plants, and I think it's really one of the most thoughtful displays here. It's certainly something that homeowners could get inspiration from. So let me give you some close-up views. So this is Kelly Norris from Des Moines, Iowa, author of New Naturalism, among many other books. And his exhibit uses all native plant material in the most extraordinary way. I want to take this entire exhibit home and put it in my native garden.
We did this during a blizzard, don't forget. And I want to tell you that tonight you're the first people to come through these doors and experience this spectacular vision, to see what designers, exhibitors, and partners from school kids to pros from all over the world have created through horticulture. This show is a celebration of where gardening traditions come from. The idea of Rooted is that every single one of us has a story that shapes how we think about beauty in the world and express it through gardening. It's knowledge that's carried across generations, across cultures, across continents. It's seeds planted by those who came before us and the ways that traditions continue to shape our landscapes and our lives. The flower show every year is about color, creativity, and energy. It's the unofficial start to spring in Philadelphia. And it's that moment where, thank God, we shake winter off, put that snow away, and remember that natural beauty will come to us. It's also the largest and oldest horticultural event in North America and one of the top 3 flower shows in the world. Only London and Singapore claim shows of this caliber. Philadelphia should be incredibly proud, and people come from all over the world to participate, to create, to judge this event.
So here we have Zizia aria and Phlox divaricata. And I love that Kelly has the labels for everything. Here's Viburnum dentatum. And you can see, all of this has been grown artificially to be in flower now, which is so extraordinary. Got a really nice Guiam, Tempo Yellow, and Origeron. That is Lynn Haven Carpet, and that is a plant that I really need to get some for my native garden. And of course, Kelly is an iris expert. She has Iris cristata in there, and then Cicericium right here, not quite in bloom. Anthurium. It's a fun little native, and this Heuchera green spice is really pretty. It's exactly the kind of native perennial cottage garden that I think we all aspire to have. This section's I'm just in love with. This is Andropogon virginicus, and this is one that I burn in my garden. And then he has Daucus, which is, or Dara, This is the pink flower, carrot relative. And then Amelanchier back there, bird nest. Such a pretty combination. Definitely makes me want to add a lot more Andropogon to my borders. And I love this section with the Mertensia, Virginica, and of course the little native violets. So beautiful. Again, all the exhibits are amazing, but this one in particular is one I think is really engaging because it's something that you could replicate in your home garden. It's all ecologically sensible plant material and just a wonderful collection. If you're not following Kelly online, you need to find him. I hope you've enjoyed this behind the scenes tour of Kelly Norris's exhibit here at the Philadelphia Flower Show. Look forward to sharing more. Thanks so much for watching.